on.
Hey, happy birthday.
Ready?
Hey guys, today it is Mom and Elisa's birthday and they about to open up some gifts.
Hey, Biss.
Happy birthday, Pauline.
Happy birthday to ya.
Emma.
Happy birthday
Mom.
to ya. Happy
Pauline
birthday.
is 17 years old today.
She's the baby. She's the
little
last one.
She's my last little baby, and now she's
Hello.
17 on my birthday.
Oh, lit.
51, guys. 51. Let me see, Pauline. Oh, nice.
Yeah, they like the Jordans, but-
Okay,
Nice.
lit.
Still getting those.
Good job. There you go,
Pop
Pauline.
those suckers on, girl.
How do they feel, Mom? Good.
Hey,
Shanti got you those.
Hey.
me and Rail.
Go
Hey,
ahead, Pauline.
Bolita.
Go on in the sack in there. See what else you got in there. In the
That's where
old
she came
sack.
from, the set.
Mom.
Oh, is that a journal?
See?
Oh, what a pretty journal.
You can start writing.
Very nice.
Show mommy what's inside of it, Elisa.
Show what it says.
Oh,
Their little
very
writing
nice.
prompts.
Nice,
Yes.
Pauline. Very good.
Oh, what was?
Nice.
I got you that, Elisa.
Nice.
Steady.
I also got
My
you those.
lashes.
Eyelashes, which is, I bet she's
Always
about to
have
put on right now.
That's
I
a
got
mess.
Elisa these two things because I
We need to
use
play
them
all
as
gold
eyeshadow.
everything.
My man's getting ready for work, y'all, but
There you go.
spend time with us before you go.
And there you
Hey,
go.
Hey, fat man. Hey, Brooke. Finally can do my toes because I got some nail polish.
Hey, Bullet!
Yeah, brother.
Move, Angel. You should
Candle.
Oh,
Let me
candle.
smell. Oh, gosh.
I know you're scent,
I was
Bullet!
watching some show at my job, and it was like, can you find 4 candles in your house and you'll win $400? I was like, oh.
Right in Elisa's room.
Are you kidding me? That's the one thing when we lose any kind of power when it's a storm or something, we be having candles. That's one thing. There you
Somebody
go.
on the show didn't have like.
How do you like your gifts, Bolita?
Need some nice comfy socks.
Oh, Papa, you farted on
Now it's mommy's turn.
And I love
Mom
these.
and daughter's birthday on the same day,
I
y'all.
love these. I love these.
You never see that. It's a blessing. They got
Yes,
the
we
birthday
both
on
have
the same
birthday,
exact
guys.
day.
Our birthday. I put it on my community page. I had asked God to, since she wasn't born yet, to let me have her on my birthday. And what do you know? I went and labor on my birthday.
Mom, read the.
Look at that.
Yes.
Yes.
Breast
She
cancer.
always supports breast cancer and she loves scarves,
we are
y'all.
heavy, strong supporters of the breast cancer movement.
We literally have like.
And yes, oh, they know.
Ugh. Strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream, guys. Shampoo.
I have bought you some oatmeal.
Look, they already know.
Body
Thank
wash,
you.
but I
I'll
use
be
it.
starting this tonight.
I know
And
you
this is large
will.
for the moms like me who have
Yes.
to wear. And I'm agreeing myself. Thank you. I need this. I appreciate it, guys.
Hey,
Thank you.
Nanny.
I also got, where's my money that was up here? Oh, I got this.
Flex your moolah, Ma.
Yep, I got that.
Say happy
Where's
birthday.
what I gave you?
It's upstairs.
Okay, what did you get? What did I give you?
Money.
How much?
Oh, come on.
She doesn't want to sell.
How much was it? I think it was at least like 50.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
For me
Bullet.
and Shanti and everybody, happy birthday.
Look at mommy's
And
card.
look at my
Read it.
card. It says, wishing you a day to slow down and take time to enjoy all the things, the little things that make you happy.
You said you just want money?
I need that because I
I
never.
thought you said
She wants some
That's
Jordans.
what
Wishing you a day to think about how very much you're cared about,
wants
how
those
truly
$300
wonderful
Jordans.
you are. Oh, thank you, Sean.
And Brooke helped me pick it out. She
Thank
said to
you,
get that one.
Boo-boo. Thank you.
Because it fits perfectly for you.
Thank you.
She's not
They
gonna
got
slow
me some
down though.
scrunchies because they know I always have my hair in a ponytail when I wear it out. And nope, that's candles. That don't belong. Yeah, they got me a little manicure set because it's about that time for me to do me. And
bells
they got
on.
me my favorite color,
toe fetish.
money.
Toe
Money.
fetish.
Yeah. Money.
Are we opening
Yeah,
this up
yeah.
now?
I like green.
Yeah, open that.
Pop that bottle, Bullet. Okay.
the conditioner to go.
Bottle popping.
Happy birthday, Pulley. Happy birthday.
Ma, you got one more gift underneath your bag.
Oh, and I got one more gift.
Ma, close
under
your
my
eyes.
bag.
Close your eyes.
Don't
Don't take the video. Ma, wait.
Come on, Brown. I'm gonna lose space. I'm already
Let me
dying.
just do the video.
It's already dying.
Wait.
Yana,
Watch out.
Where are those?
oh, nice.
You got
Thank
some
you.
boots, Mom?
Some nice winter boots. Thank
Yes.
you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. Because this is
Yes.
where we live at. It's about that time right now. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
You're
Shanti.
welcome,
Thank you so
y'all.
much, guys.
Good
Thank
You're
job.
welcome.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
Happy birthday, y'all. Lolita, did you break it?
Thank you. Oh, thank you guys so much, everybody. Did you do
Why are
it?
you pointing at the face?
Oh my gosh. I think she broke it.
Thank you. Oh, why are you pointing at me?
Don't point it down.
That's
Where
my
do you
phone.
twist?
Where's my phone? Who has my
Happy
phone?
birthday, y'all.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, guys.
And many
At this point, just
more.
buy another one.
At this point, if you
Just
could
shake it up out the
Ready,
bottom.
can you pop?
Oh.
What?
I'm sorry, Ma.
Ah!
Why would you do that? Leo season 4, no reason.
Okay.
Well, that just didn't go as planned, but
Let me buy another one.
if you're not taking control of that one, oh Lord, like, comment, and subscribe.
At least
Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a nice day. Wish us a happy birthday to Mom and Elisa in the comments.
Stop, I didn't mean to
Love you
do
guys.
it.
We out for now. Deuces. Hey, say bye.
Peace out. Have a good one.
And slam the camera.
Hmm?
Slam the camera back.